Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically delete old emails in Gmail without using any third-party apps. If you have got hundreds of emails sitting there from months or years ago, Gmail has a simple filter trick that can clean things up for you on autopilot. Let's jump in. First, we need to tell Gmail what kind of emails we want to target. Type this in the search bar. This will find all emails older than 6 months. You can also change it to 1 year or 30 days, whatever suits your inbox. Once you hit enter, Gmail shows only those older emails. And now we will build a filter to automatically delete them. Click this small icon on the right side of the search bar. It opens Gmail's advanced search settings. In the field called includes the words. Type this again. Leave everything as is and click Create Filter. Gmail might show this warning. It's only reminding you that date-based filters won't apply to new emails as they arrive, which is fine. We are using this for existing cleanup. Just click OK. Now choose what Gmail should do with those emails. Tick the box that says Delete it. This will move the emails directly to the trash. And also check Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. This will apply the filter right now to everything that fits the rule. I have got about 50 emails that match. Let's apply it. It's like spring cleaning, but without the vacuuming or existential crisis. If nothing changes right away, just refresh the page. Boom, they are gone. Move to trash instantly. Gmail did the cleanup for us. And from now on, this filter will keep running in the background, automatically deleting emails older than 6 months. And if you ever want to edit or delete this filter later, just go to Settings, the gear icon, click on See All Settings, head to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, and you will see it listed there. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.